or expected to begin shortly. Expected hazards include flash flooding caused by thunderstorms. Source: radar. The following impacts are expected: flash flooding of small creeks and streams, urban areas, highways, streets, and underpasses, as well as other poor drainage and low-lying areas. Some locations that will experience flash flooding include Vandalia, Greenville, Kennedy, Mulberry Grove, Farina, Omega, Chauvenir, Woburn, Stephen Forbes Station, Pleasant Mound, Pittsburgh, Shafter, St. Peter, Alma, Smithboro, Vernon, St. Paul, Hagerstown, and Brubaker. This includes the following highways: Interstate 70 in Illinois between exits 52 and 61. Interstate 57 in Illinois between exits 127 and 135.